Throughout this course, you've seen that Microsoft Graph provides a secured, unified API that can be used to access not only user profile photos, but other information, data, and intelligence in Microsoft 365. In this module, you learned about the role that Microsoft Identity plays in authenticating users, and you saw that access tokens are used even if you just want to get a user's profile image. We also learned how to use the Microsoft Graph API to retrieve a user photo, and we can even use it to get metadata about the photo. Finally, we learned how to convert an image blob into a local URL that an image tag can then use in a web page so that we can display that image. So that's a wrap on this Microsoft Learn path on Microsoft Graph fundamentals. I hope that you have a much better idea about how it works and how you can put it into use within your applications at work, and would definitely encourage you to play with it using Microsoft Graph Explorer and then get it going in your applications. There's a lot of power and flexibility that are provided, and you can really use it to take your applications to that next level. I'd also encourage you to go through the Microsoft Graph Fundamentals learning path on Microsoft Learn, and you can get to that link here, aka.ms/graph-fundamentals. Thanks for watching.